Yes, I think because if you look at the state elections, then there's Raman Singh. He's going to sell his development program, and as she said, he's called a Chawal Baba, Chaur Wala Baba. That's the tribal language. Huh? Chaur would mean Chawal. Now, on the other side, you have Ajit Jogi, who was sulking till his wife and his son were given a ticket, and he was promised that he'd be accommodated somewhere. Now, the second issue there, insofar as the Congress is concerned, is that the main leader other than Jogi is Charan Das Mahant. If you remember, in the Naxal attack, the entire leadership of the Congress was wiped out, so that left only a handful. That there is some kind of misgiving about him, and so his photographs are not being used. Now, the clash between Jogi and Charan Singh Mahant is very, very open. The Congress has tried to close this divide, but whether it boils down when it comes to the actual voting, whether Jogi's supporters will cooperate ultimately or not, that remains to be seen. So, other than the rebel factor, there is also this question of whether or not there will be sabotage from within.
Right.
Sure. Yesterday, Mr. Jogi gave an interview to a private news channel, an English news channel, where it was obvious that he was clearly building up pressure on the High Command to declare him as a CM candidate, because he alluded to that May incident when when almost practically the entire Congress leadership was eliminated, and he said that had we capitalized on that incident, we needn't even have gone out and campaigned. We would have swept all the 12 seats. But because certain sections in my party leveled allegations against me, against my role, the sympathy has dissipated and we are no longer advantageously placed. Now, just coming 4 or 5 days before polling,
part of Chhattisgarh, we saw Narendra Modi campaign there, we saw Sonia Gandhi also campaign there. How important are national issues? Because Mr. Modi did rake up the issue of the coal scam, he also raked up the issue of onion prices. Do these issues really find resonance among the tribals in Bastar?
Well, what the BJP is trying to do is to fine tune the local and the national. And that's what you see Modi was trying to do. He was trying to link the local development issues, the limitations, and the fault lines of the national governmental policy. Now, if you really look to the framework, I thought, as I said in tennis, Modi had the advantage rather than Mrs. Gandhi, because you see too much of emphasis on security and less on development, and then reading a script rather than speaking makes quite a bit of difference in this age of television and when people are getting more and more educated and aware. The other point